How to log in into Peakon Employee Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Peakon Employee Account. So let's get started. First of all, enter your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Peakon Employee Account and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. On the Peakon homepage, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. On the login page, enter your email address in the first field and password in the second field. Make sure your information are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button below the password field. If your sign-in details are correct, you will be logged in into your Peakon employee account. From here, you can access various features such as employee surveys, feedback, and engagement insights. And that's it. You have successfully signed in into your Peakon employee account. If you have any questions or need further help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.